Such a cute birdie. What's up? Staring contest. That's what's up.
Hey.
What's up?
What's your name? Animal Man.
The bitches and hoes call me Birdman.
Oh, nice. I like that.
I know, me too.
So, I was wondering how much water dragons cost?
It's $25.
What? That's
Yeah.
crazy.
No, it's not. It's just $25.
That's a lot. Isn't there any way it could be cheaper?
Nope. But you could check back next week.
What? Not even the lizard?
Uh,
Can you get me a cheaper lizard?
I don't know.
Are you sure?
I don't know. If he's like missing a toe or something, you can come back next week and we'll give him. Yeah.
How much will it be next week?
I don't know.
What if I do some of this? Some of this for you.
Let me go check on that for you.
Okay.